eclipse. We are not going to look directly at any sun, but we don't want to miss the event. So we're going to do a video at the peak of the coverage. See what the neighborhood looked like. August 21, 2017. This is at the peak, the